You got a new keyboard, maybe even a wrist support. You have repositioned your brand new ergonomic desk and your wrist still hurts. Of course it hurts, because it has never been about a keyboard, mouse, or a desk. Think about everything you do with your hands during the day. Computer, keyboard, mouse, phone, driving, cooking, all of this these days happens in front of you, with palms facing down. Same position for hours, day after day. Your wrists never get to rotate fully, never gets loaded, never gets to operate with the palms facing up or being loaded in any of this position except for downward. So the muscles and joint around the wrist get stiff and weak in every other position than palms facing down. And eventually this position catches up with you and it's becoming overloaded. Underused in other positions and overloaded in this one position. The fix is not ergonomics, it's movement. Wrist circles, slow, full range, both ways, feel where it catches. Palm up to palm down, full rotation. Nice, controlled and loaded movement. Side to side movement, both directions, don't rush. Feel the full range of motion. Finish with squeezes, just to rebuild a little bit strength within your grip. And put the bands around your toes, open your hand and build muscles from the other side as you would open the fingers outside. 2 minutes a day. Your desk isn't doing this for you. Your lack of movement is. Keep moving.